Ndewono, aha bụ Nwaada Mmesoma Chiodemibo. Taa, aga m ewetara unu ihe emume a pụrụ iche bụ nke na-enye obi aṅụrị. Ya mere, ọtụtụ ụmụaka zitere anyị ihe onyonyo ka anyị gaa obere ezumike bụ ebe anyị ga-egosi unu ihe onyonyo a. Ọ bụrụ na anyị alaghachi, anyị ga-ebidokwa ebe anyị kwụsịrị.
Waka for me already. Harry, come. I won't reach you. I put inside. Yeah? Idiot. Good afternoon. Listen to me. If you like, make you use all your brain, make you use understand, make you know the time when you're supposed to fetch water. Yeah? Finish too. I don't know why you think you wish you never trouble. Where water? See speaking of time. Since when I don't go where I don't say when you fetch water, you don't see water fetch. See the picking when we say you meet the two of us for years. She don't fetch water. Tell me why you don't fetch water. Hey! If I excuse you, if I hire you, I swear. See, if I meet you for house, if I see you for house, you go young me. The very first day where I don't burn you now, I don't know say na something I bought. The foolishness when they inside your papa, he carry them there inside you, Abi. No problem. They go know the two of us today for house. You go see what I go do for you. No problem. If they burn you, make I see you for house. Alright, come on.
Good evening, ma. Good evening, ma. Good evening, ma.
Good evening. You this girl. You better not tell you say make you don't come this house. See, I don't tell you say I don't want to see you for my remote. Oh yeah, Vermouth. I don't tell you, if I catch you, they go know us for this our compound. Oh yeah.
Excuse me, ma. The reason why I'm here is to tell you why your daughter did not fetch the water.
I know the reason why. Because if not be say this girl dumb, she be dullard. She go not fetch water before you fetch water. Sure you not see me there?
Ma, your daughter is not a dummy. In fact, she's smart.
Okay, now you are telling me that you know my daughter more than me, Abi?
If you know her so well, you should have known that she's a samurai. She was trying to explain something to you, but you did not listen to her.
I did not listen to her. Okay.
The owner of the tank said that lizard died inside the tank.
Lizard?
So she said that anybody that wants to drink the water or use it to cook should not fetch the water. And me, I wanted to use the water to wash my clothes. That's why I fetched the water.
You mean what you are trying to say now is that the water, you mean the water, lizard, don't die inside the water. Hey, you see, I've already tested this water. In fact, I have used it to prepare a jollof rice. Look at it. Hey! I don't know. I beg. I don't know verse. Oh yeah, come. I don't know verse. Come tomorrow. Yeah? No verse, like okay. Hey, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.
Excuse me, ma. Can I say something?
No problem.
Mommy, listen to your children. We are the future of tomorrow. Try to listen to us. Don't allow us to lose our confidence. We have to self-okay, and you have to listen. Understood?
Thank you very much. Thank you. Come. We are Carol. Go inside, make you go bring plate, make one come chop right.
ọ ga-abụ mbụ onye nhazi gị bụ Nwaada Mmesoma Chiodenibo. Chebirinụ anyị n'izu ụka ọzọ maka agba nke ọzọ ya. Ụbọchị nta ka anyị chanụ were nchi. Unu emeela.